This is the most ridiculous Jeep ever sold from the factory. A V8, nearly 500 horsepower, solid axles, and absolutely no concern for logic. The Jeep Wrangler 392 isn't here to save fuel, impress critics, or follow trends. It exists for one reason only: to be wild. Subscribe to Motorverse if you still love machines that make no excuses. The Jeep Wrangler was never supposed to be fast. It was built to climb rocks, crawl trails, and survive abuse. Then, Jeep dropped a 6.4-liter V8 into it. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just raw American displacement. The Wrangler 392 is proof that sometimes engineers build something not because it makes sense, but because it makes people smile. Before we talk numbers, understand this. The Wrangler 392 is not a trim level, it's a statement. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.4-liter HEMI V8 producing 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. That's muscle car power in a brick-shaped off-road vehicle. Jeep didn't soften it. They reinforced the frame, upgraded the suspension, and gave it a standard 8-speed automatic built to handle abuse. This isn't a Wrangler pretending to be fast. It's fast, whether it should be or not. Here's where things get absurd. The Wrangler 392 can hit 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds. That's quicker than most sports cars. You feel the V8 instantly. Throttle response is violent. Acceleration feels wrong in the best way. Is it sharp in corners? No. Is it stable at high speed? Enough to scare you. And that's the point. The 392 doesn't isolate you. It reminds you you're driving something heavy, loud, and mechanical. You'd think all that power would ruin it off-road. It doesn't. The Wrangler 392 comes standard with full-time 4WD, locking front and rear differentials, heavy-duty Dana axles, and Fox performance shocks. And because torque arrives instantly, rock crawling becomes effortless. The exhaust even has a dual-mode system, so you can quiet it down on trails or unleash the full V8 thunder when you want chaos. This is still a real Jeep, just an unreasonably powerful one. Here's the truth. Cars like this shouldn't exist anymore. Regulations hate it. Efficiency ignores it. Electrification is replacing it. And yet, Jeep built it anyway. The Wrangler 392 isn't about numbers, it's about freedom. Freedom to be loud, freedom to waste fuel, freedom to enjoy driving without filters or algorithms. When vehicles become silent appliances, this Jeep will be remembered as the one that refused to behave. So is the Jeep Wrangler 392 unnecessary? Absolutely. And that's exactly why it matters. A V8 Jeep from the factory in a world trying to move on. Subscribe to Motorverse because when common sense takes over the industry, we'll still be talking about the machines that didn't care.